Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook fried plantains in the air fryer oven. Okay, so that's fried plantains in the air fryer oven. So I know some of you may be saying, well, what's a plantain? Okay, this is a plantain. It looks like a banana, but it's much bigger, and it tastes sort of to me like a banana. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the peeling off, and then we're gonna slice it, and then I'm gonna put some oil on both sides, and we're gonna put it in the air fryer oven. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna adjust the camera and we're gonna get started, shall we? Thank you. Okay, so we're going to cut each end off, this end and this end, okay? On both of them. And then just take your knife and come right down so that we can get the peeling off. I just did one slice down, not all the way deep in, very shallow. Okay, and I'm going to take this peeling off. Now, plantains is something that you can cook them when they're hard, or you can cook them when they're soft. If you wait till they really get real soft, this outside skin will look like it's rotten, much worse than this. And that's when it's the sweetest, okay? Today, we're halfway. It's half sweet and half soft, all right? Again, we're going to take the knife and just come down so we can get that peeling off. Okay, so our peeling is off. We're good with that. Now we're going to slice it, a thick slice. Let me show you the width. That's the width we're looking for, okay? So do that to both of them. Okay, now that we have that done, we're going to put it on a plate with the flat end to the plate. Now normally I cook this in a frying pan on top of the stove, but I wanted to try and see if this works in the air fryer oven. And I won't know unless I try, right? Okay, so I put them all on a plate like that. Okay. Now, I have some avocado oil in here. Let me show you. Avocado oil. You know, avocados are good for you, so I wanted to look into to see if the oil is good for you. And it says it's cholesterol free, it's good for frying, and it's good health wise. Okay, so I'm gonna take, I have the aloe vera oil in here, so I'm gonna put it on top of the plantains. See what I'm doing? So once you get it on top of there, I just want to take your hand and just spread it so that all of it gets the oil. Now we're going to turn all of them over one time because there's oil on the bottom of the plate, so that will oil also get on the plantain. Okay. Turn them all over. And you can do this in larger slices if you want, or chunks. You don't have to do it just in the slices I showed you. I don't think that matters. Okay, now we're going to put some oil on this side. Alright. Now, uh-oh. That was, my hand was slippery. We're going to bring the rack out. And we're going to put them on the rack. Okay? Just line them up. Okay, I'm putting a little space between each one because you know it's an air fryer, so the air gotta get in between everything, right? Okay, this is how this one looks. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in on the bottom slot. No, I keep missing it. Okay, let me take this out so I can see. Are you kidding me, Rachel? There we go. Wow, that was a chore. And by the way, I already oiled my racks on both sides, okay? Because that helps with the cleanup. They won't stick as bad to the rack. And you don't have to scrub, scrub, scrub. Okay. Now we're going to put this one in. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. All right, so I want to set this on 370. Okay, temperature's 370, and let's cook that for, we're gonna go for, let's try 10 minutes to see what happens. So I hit it on 10 minutes, on 370 is the temperature, and we'll see how that is, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, so you see we got the off word up here. We started it on 10 minutes. Okay, it's definitely not done. Let me take one out and show you. Oh, sticking. Okay. Here's one. It's not brown yet, okay? Let me see. It is soft, but it's not brown. So let's go with another, let's go with another 10 minutes, okay? All right, so let's do that. So what I want to do before I put it back in is I'm gonna put the bottom rack on the top and the top rack on the bottom. I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes and then we'll be back, okay? Okay, so our time have stopped. So we've cooked the fried plantains a total of 20 minutes. We started with 10. I checked it out. I moved the bottom rack to the top and the top rack to the bottom. And I also turned the plantains over on each rack, okay? So we're gonna take it out now and take a look. Okay, let me let you get a view of this. How about that? Nice and brown. See? Cool, huh? Okay, fried plantains. Who would have knew? So let's put some on the plate and take a taste. You might have to help it up some because it might be sticking a little, but not bad. For the most part, it's coming up. Okay. I'm going to adjust the camera up so you can see me. Let me come down some. Okay, is that better? Okay, there they are, the fried plantains. Wow, look at that. Okay, so let me take a taste. Trying to cut it in half because they're hot. There we go. I'm gonna blow it. Tastes good. When you fry them in oil in the frying pan, they're a little oily, okay? This has no oil taste at all, but the taste of the plantain is still there, and the hardness on the outside is still there. So I like it better, okay? Fried plantains, how about that, huh? Okay. And let me give you the word of the day. And by the way, if you're a first-time subscriber, please subscribe, right? That makes it all happen, okay? I appreciate that. If you like the fried plantains, please share the video with someone, because who'd have knew that you could do fried plantains in the air fryer oven? That's pretty cool, okay? Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, maybe you've been trying to do something, like maybe you want to go to school, or maybe you want to make a dress, or maybe you want to renovate a room in your house, or any idea that you may have and you actually haven't done it. Well, you know what happens when you actually just think about it and you don't do it? It doesn't get done. So come on, let's go. Take some action, take some steps, and make it happen. Because when you make it happen, you are going to feel so good about it, because you actually are doing something that you desire. Okay? All right, go make it happen, will you? All right, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. It was a pleasure serving you. And go cook some fried plantains in the air fryer oven, will you? Let me know about it. Okay, bye-bye. Grandma Ray don't play. Grandma Ray don't play. Grandma Ray don't play. Grandma Ray don't play. I'll cook in